subject-verb agreement. So let us understand what it is. The subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number. Number denotes singular number or plural number. If a subject is singular, then its verb must be singular. If a subject is plural, then its verb must be plural. This is a type of agreement between the subject and the verb in a sentence. So according to the definition, if the subject is of singular number, then its verb will be in singular. Or if the subject is in plural number, its verb must be in plural. So this is a type of agreement that is between the subject and the verb in a sentence. Therefore, it is called subject-verb concord or agreement. So let us see the examples for better understanding. We will see first the example of singular number. Example, singular number. The farmer is plowing the field. Here is an example of singular number. Now, how you would recognize that the subject here is singular? Because there is no S. So it represents there is a single farmer in this sentence. That means it is showing singular number, and this is verb. So here you see the farmer subject is singular, and the verb here in this sentence will also be singular. So there is an adjustment or agreement between the subject and the verb in this given statement or sentence. Both are in agreement. If it is singular, if the subject is singular, verb will be singular. Therefore, the farmer is plowing the field. Let's see another example. The man has given the speech. The man has given the speech. You see here, man is singular number, has, the verb is also showing the singular number. So, the subject man, when it is in singular form, the verb will be in singular form. Thus, we can read this sentence, the man has given the speech. So you understand, with singular subject, singular verbs will be used. Now see the example of plural number. Example of plural number. The farmers are plowing the field. The farmers are plowing the field. Here you see the difference. In the singular number, we have only one farmer, a single farmer. But in the plural number, it is changed. Farmers, the subject is plural. Therefore, the verb will be also plural. If the subject is plural, the verb of the sentence will be plural. See another example. The men have given the speech. Try to understand. The men have given the speech. See here, the man who is the subject of this sentence is more than one, is plural. It shows us plural. So the verb that is in the sentence will also be plural. So you see here the agreement of subject and verb in a sentence. Therefore, the men have given the plural number. Therefore, we have used plural verbs in this sentence. Therefore, singular subject needs singular verb. Singular subjects need singular verbs. Plural subjects need plural verbs. Now, this is the rule. This is the agreement that is between the subject and verb in a sentence. If the subject is singular, singular word will be used. If the subject is plural, then plural word will be used in a sentence. Let us see the subject-verb agreement in person. First, the first person singular or plural takes a singular verb. This is the rule of subject-verb agreement in first person. This is the rule of subject-verb agreement in first person. It may be singular as well as plural, but it will take a singular word. See the example here. I like this city. Now, this is a first person singular. I like this city. It will have a singular word. See the another example. We like this city. It will have a singular word as well. Now, in second person, we will see the rule in second person. The second person, singular or plural, takes a singular word. In the condition, in the case of second person, it may be singular or plural. It must have a singular word. Say, example, you like this city. It is in the case of second person. You represents the second person, like this city, singular word. Now see the third person. The third person singular takes a singular word. While using in third person, the verb will be singular. He, that denotes the third person, that refers to the third person. He likes this city. He likes this city. It will be used with a singular third person and a singular word. Now let us see the fourth. The third person plural. Now this is a condition when the third person is plural. It must have a plural word. So let us see the example. They refers to the third person, like this city. So with a plural third person, a plural word will be used. We will see the subject-verb agreement in uncountable noun. When it is uncountable noun as a subject, so how the verb will agree. With uncountable noun, verb must be singular. With uncountable noun, which cannot be countable, we will use a singular word. See the example. Honesty is the best policy. Now in this sentence, honesty is an uncountable noun. It shows the subject as well. So with the uncountable noun, we can use verb that is singular. So this is the rule with the uncountable noun. When the noun is uncountable, the word must be singular. Now see the subject-verb agreement with singular and plural noun. Subject-verb agreement with singular and plural noun. See here, example, the sun is shining in the sky. This is a singular statement or sentence. How the sun, it is singular in number, is the word that is also singular in number. So therefore, when the subject is singular, the noun is singular, we can make the use of singular verb, and when the noun is plural, here in the second sentence, the noun is children. It is plural. So with the plural noun, we have used the plural verb. Now see the subject-verb agreement. When two or more singular subjects are used, so plural verb will be used. Here, see, Mr. and Mrs. Gupta are going to the market. You see here are two or more singular subjects. So which are they? Mr. and Mrs. Gupta. They are singular subjects here in this sentence. So we have used a plural verb. This is the rule. With two or more singular subjects, we can make the use of plural verb. So Mr. and Mrs. Gupta are going to the market. Now see, the next two subjects express one idea. When the condition is that two subjects express one idea, in that case singular verb will be used. In that case singular verb will be used. See the example. Earning your bread and butter is essential for survival. Here in this sentence, bread and butter, they show us one idea. Okay, it shows us one idea. Therefore, we have used singular verb in this sentence. Earning your bread and butter is essential for your survival. See the subject, verb concord. In distance and weight, subject is plural, then the verb must be singular. Let us see example. 10,000 rupees is not a small sum. 10,000 rupees is not a small sum. Here 10,000 rupees, okay, it is a sum of money. But we have used verb that is singular because the subject shows us the plural. In that condition, we can use the verb singular. See the other subject, verb, agreement in plural noun with singular meaning. There are, plural nouns that express singular meanings. In that condition, what would happen? It will take a singular word. Such plural nouns that express singular meanings will take a singular word. See the answer. Economics is a good subject. You see here, economics, that shows us plural noun. That shows us plural noun. But it will take a singular word. It will take a singular word. Now this is the rule in plural noun with singular meaning. Economics, it is a plural noun, but that will take a singular word. Economics is a good subject. Now see the next, subject verb agreement in singular nouns with plural word. Now you see here, the noun is singular. The noun is singular, but verb will be plural. In that condition, it takes a plural verb. In that condition, when the noun is singular, it will take a plural verb. The cattle. You see, a cattle shows us the singular noun, but it represents a class. It represents a group. So the cattle verb raising in the field. Because it represents a class or a group, we have used a plural verb. So, the cattle were grazing in the field. Now see the next subject-verb agreement in collective noun. When we have a collective noun, then how the verb will change. There are two examples. First, the jury is about to give its decision. Now the jury, it is a collective noun. So here the jury is about to give its decision. We have used a singular verb. Now it will happen when this jury is considered to be one unit. When this jury is considered to be one unit, then we can make the use of singular verb. Therefore, the jury is about to give its decision. Condition number 2. When the jury is considered to be an individual unit. When the jury, the collective noun, is considered to be in an individual unit, then we can make the use of plural verb. The jury are divided in their opinion. It will happen when it is considered as an individual unit. See the subject-verb agreement in the freshers like a lot of, a plenty of, a great deal of, a pair of. We will see the implementation of subject-verb agreement in such phrases. See the example. A lot of people gather near my house. So we can see that a plenty of or a lot of people gather here or near my house. See one more example. A pair of shoes will be followed by having a singular verb. Pair of shoes was brought by him. Now see the use of subject-verb agreement in each, either and neither. Example here, either she nor her sister is telling a lie. Now you see that this is the use of either. And we have used a singular verb here. Neither of them was reliable. Now you see that use of either and neither. Neither of them was reliable. Now see the next subject-verb agreement in introductory there. So in condition where we use introductory there, in that case how we will use the verbs. See here an example. There is no chair in the room. There is no chair in the room. The point that we should understand here is the chair shows us singular number. Chair shows us singular number. Therefore, we have used the verb singular number. So, there is no chair in the room. Now, condition number 2, there are no chairs in the room. You see here the difference. Here is a singular form. Here is a plural form. Now, chairs are used. It represents the plural form. So, that is why we have used are. There are no chairs in the room.